Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, the Google Pixel 8a is scheduled to, is highly anticipated. So I'm going to, review it, talk a little bit about it on this video. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. The Google Pixel 8a, MKBHD said, just get the 8. Don't even worry about the A according to the title, right? So Google Pixel's 8a series. So Android smartphones have long proven that there is no need to spend anywhere close to $1,000 for a great featured packed smartphone. While the price of these handsets has slightly increased since the first Pixel 3a in 2019, the new Google Pixel 8a seems to have everything you want in a smartphone at a palatable price of $500. The company announced its latest Pixel phone virtually 1 week before the Google I/O Developer Conference, where expectations are high for the latest Android and artificial intelligence improvements and potential updates on the mixed reality headset it's developing in partnership with Qualcomm and Samsung. Google says it's giving its new handset time to shine ahead of the event. The Pixel 8a is available for pre-order today and goes on sale May 14th. So let's talk about the Pixel drop. The Pixel 8a retains the 6.1-inch screen size of its predecessor, but the OLED panel is now fitted with the Google calls its actual display. That's marketing mumbo jumbo, just like Apple's Retina display. But this new OLED purportedly offers a 40% higher peak brightness than the Pixel 7a. You know they're gonna try and squeeze it in, right? So it is up to 2000 nits, 1400 nits with HDR. It also supports a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. One area where Google cut corners is the cover glass, which is Corning's Gorilla Glass 3 from 2013. You'll probably want to apply a screen protector to be safe because they be breaking. The back is a matte plastic composite with a matte aluminum frame. Google says the housing and camera bar are made from 100% recycled aluminum and the rear plastic is 76% recycled plastic. It's still IP67 dust and water resistant, so it can survive a dip in the pool or a walk in the rain. The Pixel 8a is powered by Google's Tensor G3 chipset with 8GB of RAM. Just like the Pixel 8 series, that means it'll be capable of much of the same software wizardry Google showed off last year in the debut of its flagship, including Audio Magic Eraser, which lets you erase unwanted sounds in video clips like sirens, Magic Editor, where you can move subjects around and have the software generate a background to fill the space, and Best Take, which can replace a person's face in the photo by clipping it from a similar photo, which is useful in case someone blinked and ruined an unauthorized or otherwise perfect shot. This phone will also be able to tap into Google's Gemini Nano language, right, the large language model. And to enable Gemini Nano, you'll have to go into the Pixel's developer settings and check a box that says you agree to run experimental features that may or may not work perfectly yet. When enabled, Gemini Nano lets you access specific on-device AI features like Summarize in Google's Recorder app and Smart Reply in Gboard. Google Nano will be available in a future software update, but Google confirmed that while the default assistant in this handset remains Google Assistant, you can replace it with with its Google Assistant easily out of the box, just like on most other phones today. You can do that on other phones, and I believe Android specifically. So speaking of, just like the Pixel 8 series, Google is promising 7 years of software updates on this phone. That makes the Pixel 8a one of the only sub $500 devices to get such a long software support window. They're also offering the same built-in VPN function too. The device comes with 128 gigabytes of storage, and there's now a 256 gigabyte option, though that's restricted, right? It's restricted. And to my knowledge, it's restricted to the obsidian color, right? The Pixel 8a's other colors include bay, porcelain, and a very nice new alloy. The battery capacity has slightly increased to 4,492 mAh, which Google claims will offer a 15% improvement in battery life over the 7a. You'll be able to wirelessly recharge it via the Qi standard or use the included USB-C cable at up to 18 watts. The cameras are practically the same as the Pixel 7a series, with a 64 megapixel sensor leading the charge and a 13 megapixel ultrawide accompanying it. On the front is a 13 megapixel sensor. So that's what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. What is it about the Google Pixel 8a that you like, dislike, the good, bad, and the ugly? Mark what you said about it. Yeah, I like your review, but it's trash. You should have said this about it. You should have said this about the Google Pixel 8a. You should have said this, but you didn't say it. So this whole review is trash. Please let me know the good, bad, and ugly in the comment section below. So, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your support. I appreciate your viewership. See you on the next video.